All right, traders, a very good morning to everyone. As usual, it is Tuesday, 12th of November 2024. From an economic point of view, there is a very light events happening, but we do have some Fed speakers coming out around 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We have a Harker, we have a Kashkari. Alongside that, we do have some other Fed speakers, but we will get back. We will touch on that later. Uh,
And on the
from a
FX, we're seeing
sentiment point
here,
of view,
according to Bloomberg, Polish rate
starting from
settlement
the
velocity
FX
does note
section,
discussion on
we
rate
can
cuts
see that
likely
dollar
only
is
take place in
firmer
Q3
versus
2025.
all peers as
For the
the
Polish zloty watchers,
post-election rally continues and focuses markets on the prospect of looser fiscal policy. Uh, Weakest currency right now is the pound, and we do have had data came out from UK, which came better than expected. Uh, but I think with the lack of trust over the ONS, the market is just taking it as a pinch of salt and is not currently buying those good data numbers. So we can see that pound is being the weakest or on the firmer foot. Uh, Looking at the euro is also again the softer currency so far. Broadly stronger
this
USD,
bit further
which
here
is bursting
from Dabrowski
post-election
does note rate cuts should be
election selling off
gradual and sees about
continuing.
200 basis points
Also,
in
we had
Polish rate cuts
some
by end
comments from ECB
2026.
Rehan and Halsman, with the former flagging downside risk to growth, and the Halsman cautious over the impact of Trump tariffs on inflation. Looking at the equity section, pretty much flat. But if you look at the APAC equities, Nick Hang Seng 50 China 50 is down alongside European bourses opened on very weak footing, continue to tremble lower as the morning progressed. Pretty much seems to me a very risk off environment on the equities and a pretty mixed bag over the FX section. Talking about the commodity, crude oil is trying to hold back its gain after Israel's defense minister uh, exactly said that their hopes for a ceasefire between Hezbollah and Israel is far from right now, so suggesting there will be no ceasefire and Israel will continue to hit Hezbollah with full force, which eventually helping the all oil to push higher. Other than that, base and precious metals are softer, with the dollar being the strongest and eventually helping the commodities to push lower. Just looking at the government bonds, a US 10-year yields is being softer, rising to plus 1.2%. Now, the sentiment across the board is pretty much mixed bag. We are not getting clear out that which way the market is going to get shifted, because we have very thin economic events happening today other than some Fed commentary coming out, as I said earlier, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So other than that, we don't have much going on around the market. So it's a pretty snoozer day, just like Monday. We do have had USCPI coming tomorrow, and that's something is worth watching and can create some volatility across the major asset classes. With that being said, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know.